I tell you the truth. I really think so, nurse. I wish if they would have this, but I feel like they might go fall in love with the place, it's true. Maybe because in this seat, so yeah. I don't really watch nobody, you know. I tell you the truth. Them will come along afterwards, like maybe at first them not gonna like it, but afterwards now then we just gradually just come together and just love it, you get me? But remember some my kids them might get big. So at the end of the day, one at a time I'm me I go depend. I'm me alone I go the day. Remember everybody I go take time and get big and so forth. You understand what I say? My daughter can go on comfortable school, because you know them the place is kind of different, more quiet and them something there. You understand what I say? My son can go and do a trade, still the panel land, when can work panel land and do any little thing when panel land, he can buy two goat if he want, he can buy 1, 2 ray and raisy, any little thing he want to do. You understand me? Me not just look for tomorrow, me I look for a future. You understand what I say? Me I look for something where my parents never give to me. My parents never give me certain things. Me not born with gold spoon in my mouth. You understand what I say? Things that where me never accomplish. You understand what I say? Me want my kids them to have it. You understand, man? That's why I push myself. Me take pain, me take disgrace, me take hurt, me take betray, me take so many things in life just to give them something. You understand me? Me somebody say, yeah, we could have buy a car a good investment. Yeah, car a good investment. But at any time, car can mash up. You can drive car and buy today, you buy car and tomorrow car run off a road. Take car and give to man. What's when you don't know how to drive and you give people car at the time, they then wreck your car and do all different type of things with car. You understand what I say? So, I'm not going to make nobody make me feel no way. You understand me? I'm not going to make nobody make me feel no way. No matter how much I try, I realize that people just always are going to tear me down. You know, make no difference. You get me? So the only thing I have to do is just keep and hold up my head and focus. You understand what I say? Right? And that's the only thing I have to do. Not no more. Well, it's a good investment. And the kids will come around. Well, we will see. I guess we will see that. Right? Now I will get ready for go dentist. You understand me? I think I'm going to go dentist. When I get ready, I come back on the... When I'm ready, I come back on live. I don't really go stay on live. From I come on live this morning, I just negative energy. I hold it for negative energy. If I go dip on the live, I forgot to lock down the live. That is... Of course. Yeah, cards. Definitely. I know, to be honest, right? I say no matter how people are run and come out and talk about people dunce. A whole heap of people may see them look down upon and talk about dunce. And the people them where them say dunce and illiterate, them are do something for themselves. I feel so when people put down people, especially when they talk about them dunce, at that time that they're more determined. Because I'm street smart. I'm not lie to you. People have education right now now have nothing, not even a job. And enough of them out there have them good education and a butter. You understand me? You can't even believe that them have good education and not even a good job they not in. You understand what I say? But people like me were street smart and use my brains twice, triple than fool no one who have no good education. Still I try to find something out of life. And I just want to say all of the people them out there, all of them can't read, all of them look down pound and say on don't sound illiterate, believe in yourself. You understand me? I say sky is the limit. You understand me? No make nobody put you down at the end of the day. Yes, you need education, but you need to be smart. Because I know enough people have education and they're fool. They're not smart. The one where them said dunce, them street smart, them wise enough. You understand me? The race is not for the what? It's for the fast or for the swift. The race is not for the fast or for the swift. And the swifter you be, you can get through in life. You understand me? I'm going to say big up to all of the people them out there where I try. I will never give up trying. You understand? Me not wait for big education for have it in a life. Me not go wait for big education because I see people go back at school at the age of 40, 50, 60. Me see people go back at school at the age of 40, 50, 60. You understand what I say? And anytime you can settle yourself and put yourself back in school. Me see people that run business place when they don't even have education and a run business place. Have key for them business. Have them good car. And people will walk foot. Listen to me. And people out there will have no good education. You walk your foot. And the same dunce man over there start driving car. How is that? Me say no for you get no big education when you come out, you can't get no job, you overqualify. You overqualify, you go look work, them say they can't pay you. You get confused. Not even business you not run with how much subject you sit down pan. You understand me? But me, where you see us so, I'm not the most brightest, but me I'm one of the most wisest. You understand me? So big up to me. Big up to me. Yeah, man. Bless on yourself. Me I got clean it. Me I got doctor, me I got dentist. Jesus Christ. Murder. I'm going to the dentist. Boss lady, I go cuss me. I go put on my clothes. I'm going to the dentist this morning. I feel like I'm kind of afraid. I feel like me no want me no. Boss lady, me no want to know why you did it. A problem this morning betwixt me out there, you know. Guy, wait, I say about the. I'm not go back on that. Who did my tattoo? Oh my God. You know, a tattoo man will do my tattoo in a day here. Make sure you pull out your teeth. Make sure you pull out your teeth. Yeah, I do that today. You will be fine. All right. Make sure you pull out the teeth. The boss lady there. All right, we'll jam my clothes. Boss lady, just come pick me up now. Just drop. Jog me, I go jog on this. Me freshen up this morning already and everything, so yeah, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. May I tell you the truth? Yeah, I'm afraid. That's one of my biggest fear for face a dentist. Alright, well, I'm assuming I go in. I just adjourn something. Alright, may I wear this? Guys, when soon come back, may I go put on some clothes. When soon come back. I can't see where you laugh about, so I can't laugh with you. Maybe if you're going to make me laugh off of myself. I'm ready to fuck you. Guys, me soon come back, alright?